Imagine a world without our constant companion, the moon. This isn't a tale of science fiction, but a cosmic what-if scenario with profound implications. The absence of our moon would transform Earth into a vastly different and potentially inhospitable world. One of the most immediate and dramatic changes would be the collapse of our ocean tides. The moon's powerful gravitational pull is the primary driver of these rhythmic movements. Without it, tides would shrink drastically. Ocean tides would be reduced to roughly one-third of their normal size, driven only by the sun's weaker influence. This drastic reduction would devastate coastal ecosystems worldwide. Marine life cycles, from the spawning of crabs to the nesting of sea turtles and the feeding of clams, are intricately linked to tidal patterns. The delicate balance of intertidal zones would be shattered. Widespread collapse of coastal biodiversity would ensue, as countless species struggle to adapt or simply perish. Our vibrant shorelines would become barren and silent. Beyond the tides, the moon plays an even more critical role, stabilizing Earth's axial tilt. Our planet currently maintains a steady tilt of 23.5 degrees, which is crucial for the regular and predictable seasons we experience. The moon acts as a gravitational anchor, preventing our planet from wobbling wildly. Without this stabilizing influence, Earth's axial tilt would become erratic. Over thousands to millions of years, our planet would begin to wobble unpredictably. This erratic motion would lead to extreme and unpredictable climate shifts across the globe. The consequences for global climate would be catastrophic. We could experience prolonged periods of no seasons at all, leading to uniform, stagnant climates. Alternatively, Earth might plunge into extreme ice ages or endure scorching, endless summers. Our planet would become a far more challenging environment for life to endure. The moon also acts as a cosmic brake, gradually slowing Earth's rotation over billions of years. Without its gravitational drag, our planet's spin would speed up significantly. This acceleration would dramatically shorten our day-night cycles. Days could become as short as 6 to 12 hours long. Imagine a world where the sun rises and sets multiple times within what we now consider a single day. This rapid rotation would throw established daily routines into utter chaos. The biological rhythms of all life forms, from plants to animals and humans, are deeply ingrained with the 24-hour cycle. Such a drastic change would cause widespread disruption, impacting sleep, feeding, and reproductive patterns across the planet. Life would struggle to keep pace with the accelerated day. The absence of the moon would dramatically alter our night sky. Without its brilliant illumination, the nights would become profoundly darker. This transformation would present a stark visual paradox. On one hand, the darkness would offer incredible stargazing opportunities. Millions of stars and distant galaxies currently obscured by lunar light pollution would become visible to the naked eye. It would be a breathtaking cosmic spectacle. On the other hand, this emptiness would feel unsettling. The familiar, comforting presence of the moon would be gone, leaving an eerie, profound darkness. This change would also deeply impact nocturnal life. Many nocturnal animals rely on moonlight for navigation, hunting, and avoiding predators. Their behavior would be disrupted, posing significant challenges to their survival strategies. Many animals across the globe rely on the moon for their very survival. Sea turtle hatchlings navigate to the ocean using moonlight reflecting off the water. Predators like lions often hunt more effectively under the cover of darkness, guided by lunar glow. Reproduction cycles for countless species, both marine and terrestrial, are synchronized with lunar phases. The loss of the moon would throw these delicate biological clocks into disarray. Animals would struggle immensely to adapt to these fundamental changes. This struggle would inevitably lead to significant population declines for many species. The risk of extinctions would soar for countless creatures whose lives are intricately tied to our lunar companion. Earth's biodiversity would suffer an irreversible blow. The moon is not just a celestial body, it is deeply intertwined with human culture. For millennia, it has inspired our calendars, myths, religions, poetry, and traditions. Its phases have guided agriculture and marked time. The loss of the moon would represent a profound cultural and scientific void. Our collective imagination, so often sparked by lunar observation, might be diminished. The course of scientific and cultural development, particularly in astronomy and exploration, would have been drastically altered. Without the moon, humanity might have lacked a primary motivation for space exploration. The drive to reach for the stars, so powerfully symbolized by our nearest celestial neighbor, might never have taken hold. Our history would be unrecognizable. In the long term, a moonless Earth would be a world defined by chaos and instability. The moon's gravity acts as a crucial buffer, protecting our planet from extreme climate shifts. Without it, Earth's climate would become far more volatile. We would face more frequent and intense weather events. Extreme ice ages could alternate with scorching heat waves, creating unpredictable and devastating patterns. The stable, life-sustaining climate we know would be a distant memory. Earth would become an increasingly less friendly place for life. It would be a world of constant environmental upheaval, where ecosystems collapse under relentless pressure. Life in all its forms would face an uncertain and perilous future. A world without our moon would be a darker, shorter day world, marked by collapsing ecosystems and unpredictable climates. It's a stark reminder of the delicate balance that allows life to thrive on Earth. Fortunately, our moon is safe and sound, orbiting our planet for billions of years to come. Thanks for watching. If you love these space what-ifs, make sure to subscribe and join our growing community.